Hello, all. I am going to give you an overview of our WoW Health app, where you will be able to see all of the benefits that you have access to. Once you go to either the Android or Apple App Store, please download WoW Health, WOWHEALTH app, and you will be able to then put in your email address. And I am going to do that here with you. So this is a dummy account that's going to give us access. As you can see, the eye to the right side of the screen will allow us to see our password. I do think it's really helpful for us to kind of hit the remember me as well as enabling the biometric. So for easy access next time that you need to access the app. This is the interface that is going to give access to you for your routine care that you are getting through WoW Health. As you can see, we will talk a little bit about how to access your care and then some of the features that your account carries. If you need to make an appointment for an in-person visit with a doctor in your community, you can come to the book appointment icon in the top left. There are some suggested top specialties. Let's say that I am interested in going to see a dermatologist. These are all of the direct pay dermatologists that are available in the Southeast Michigan market. When you log in with your app, you can give the app the permission to know your zip code and it will auto populate. However, you can always come to the zip code and put in a different zip code as well, and the app will find the providers near you. When you do need to make an appointment, you can come to the book appointment, select the location where this particular provider, Dr. Whitworth, is available. So I'm going to pick the Southfield location, and I'm going to maybe enter some reason why I am going to go see him. At this point, you see how it works. You will be able to press the call button at the bottom left. It is going to allow you to connect with the medical practice. You identify yourself as a PHCS Value Point member. Let them know that you need to make an appointment for an office visit. They will also be able to tell you what your direct pay price for that visit is going to be. You do need to make that payment when you go for your appointment. At the appointment, if they need to see your membership card, sometimes they will ask to see it. You can click on that and it is going to bring up your Value Point membership card. More on membership cards in just a minute as well. That is how you can make an appointment through our system for an in-person visit with a doctor. Similar feature and are available if you need to make an appointment for perhaps an MRI. Right? I can search here and it's going to show me my top services. I can come in here and find imaging centers. When it comes to procedures and imaging, we do create a request for the test. So this is going to allow you then to be able to request an appointment. At this point, you will be contacted by a representative to gather more information and come up with a date and time, as well as a final price for that imaging test. If you are in need of a medication, you can come in to our Find Drugs icon and be able to search for a medication, for example, like metformin, and we are going to be able to tell you how much it costs. So 60 tablets for metformin are about $2 and change, and then all of the local pharmacies where I can go to get this medication. When I show up at the pharmacy, I am going to tap my membership card. The pharmacist needs these numbers. You are going to then pay the $2 in change for that medication, and that is the end of this transaction. So with WoW Health, there are never any claims or paperwork that is generated. You will not be receiving a bill in the mail for any of the services that you are getting. Same thing with our dental procedures. Let's say that you've been told that you need a tooth extraction. You can come in here, find out how much is a tooth extraction, tap on this icon, which is going to show you all of the local dentists. You can also sort of pick a dentist. Perhaps for my child, I'm interested in a pediatric dentist, and it's going to show me all of the pediatric dentists in the area. And then I can tap on here, call again to the office, identify myself as a One Dental member. When I go to the office, if they need to see a membership card, I am going to be able to pull up my membership card here and show it to the practice. If you need to make an appointment for an urgent care visit, a 24/7 access to a doctor, you can click here. It's going to bring you to the screen. It is free for our members who have a membership. And you will see when you actually go through this, and I am going to go ahead and book the appointment, it is going to zero it out when you get to the payment screen, because we do have a membership for this account. So don't be alarmed if your initial screen initially shows a price. It will get zeroed out when you go to the payment screen, because the system will check. And as you can see in my memberships down at the bottom of that I do have a virtual urgent care membership. And when I tap here, it's going to bring me to that same screen again. So two ways for me to access my services. I can either do it from the icons on the front screen, or I can go to my memberships and I can access care this way as well. Right? So this is my value point card, which gives me access to in-person appointments. I have my dental and vision card. If I am, for example, interested in getting my glasses made, I can go to any of the providers and show them my iMed discount card. For members who are enrolling in the health share option, you will have access to your health share card in here. We do provide some information along the way always, so you know how you can access any of your services that you have. Of course, if you have any questions, you can always go to the More tab at the bottom and tap on Help and Support, and one of our customer support representatives who are available 24/7 will address your questions. While I am here in this, I can also show you that under my family information, as you can see, it will show all of the family members that are enrolled in here. For anyone over the age of 18, they have their own personal WoW Health account for HIPAA reasons. However, if anyone is under the age of 18, those minors I can access from this account. It's going to prompt me. If I come in here, it's going to show me a similar screen. Because this is a minor account, as you can see at the bottom, as a reminder, some services won't be available. I can see my memberships as a minor, because of course I have the same membership as my parent, for example, but I will not have access to the wallet feature, as you can see at the bottom middle. When I am done, I can switch back to the parent account. And now I am back into the parent account. The wallet feature is where in your personal wallet, you can go in here and add a credit card, a debit card, or even if you have an HSA card or an HRA card, those can be added so that if you have any payments or incidentals for any services, you are able to get that. Your employer wallet gives you access to monies that can be used through the app. Not all employers will be putting money into this feature. If your employer does, you would be able to see it here. Any notifications kind of come in the top right bell icon, and you can change your account passwords and settings from here as well. I hope that you have found this to be a helpful guide of how you can use your WoW Health app to obtain your medical care. Please reach out to us if you have any questions or comments. Thank you.